Welcome to Washington, D.C. From Rock Creek Park to the Constitution Gardens to our own backyards, the nation's capital is the home of some of the most beautiful parks, gardens, and wooded areas. It's important for us to know that our environment and well-being rely on plants, trees, and flowers. Plants act as highly effective air cleaners by absorbing carbon dioxide and pollutants through leaves and emit oxygen for us to breathe. Plants remove chemicals and bacteria in the air, thus providing an overall healthier environment for us to thrive. It's safe to say that the more plants and trees we have, the cleaner our air quality will be. The roots of plants take in heavy metals and chemicals in the soil and groundwater as well, helping to keep the ground healthy and alive. When planted strategically near your home, trees help your living space stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This is great for reducing your energy use. See what we did there? If you're a DC resident that wants to lower your carbon footprint, try gardening in your yard or join a community garden. Personal and community gardens replenish nutrients into the ground and help avoid soil erosion, since the roots of your plants will help to connect the soil as it grows. Gardening also supports wildlife and pollinators by providing shelter and shade. Not to mention the accessibility to vegetables and fruit a home garden provides. We were able to catch up with one of our neighbors in the district, Georgette Walker of Ward 7, to talk to her about her backyard garden and show us how to properly turn soil over and plant some peppers. And how many times a year should you turn your soil over?
Oh, I only do it when I'm ready to plant. I add in the fresh compost around about March, April. Turn over the soil and put in the fresh compost.
And you just put the fresh compost on the top, or how does that work?
No, I mix it in with the soil.
Okay.
Yep. We get a nice long period of summer that the plants like. So my neighbor, she plants watermelon and cantaloupe, and we have planted root vegetables like Brussels sprouts and beets, which is my peppers, and tomatoes. Last year I did lettuce.
Thanks, Georgette. That was awesome. As you can see, DC, gardening is worth the energy for our own benefit and especially for our environment. Planting vegetation, trees, and plants will surely provide positive impacts for our city, especially since gardens and green spaces are a way to fight climate change. Check out the Department of Parks and Recreation's website to find your local community garden information. Plant a tree and take the pledge to help fight climate change, DC. By pledging, you'll qualify to win a $300 energy bill credit. Visit ReduceEnergyUseDC.com now to learn more.